Welcome back to our channel. Well, as you guys know, we set a goal this year to stay in some more unique accommodations. Well, this one is the most unique one yet. We are staying on a boat, y'all. We're on a houseboat. We're here in Royal, Arkansas, which is just an hour outside of Hot Springs. We're staying on Lake Ouachita in this really awesome boat, and we cannot wait to show it to you. Stay tuned. Hi, we're the Mays family, Carrie, Shanika, and Kennedy. And we're on a mission to live out our dream of traveling the world, one adventure at a time. Come on, let's go see it. So, this boat is so cool. It's really large. It has 4 bedrooms. It has 1.5 bathrooms. We're gonna show you guys all of that. But when you first walk into the boat, you get this really cool captain seating area. You can actually drive this boat. We won't be doing that, but you can. So you have all of that right there. You have a TV there as well. We brought our Roku along with us so that we can have some entertainment. You also have some nice seating here as well. And I love that the boat is completely covered in all of these windows, so you get a lake view all the way around. We have a little dining room here area, and oh, who we got here? If you guys remember our video from our Sun's River Ranch vlog, we have our friends with us here. The Smiths, Dee and Sierra, are visiting us here from Nashville, along with our super cute goddaughter Denver. So they're hanging out here with us on the boat. When we walk through this area, you have the kitchen.
Oh, you stuck in the kitchen.
I just laughed because Denver just like fell out on her back on the She did. So we got a full kitchen here, you all, that's fully stocked with everything that you need, all of your plates, utensils, everything that you need to cook. We have a stove, an oven, microwave, full-size refrigerator. So really, you could just live here. You have everything that you need. We have the first bedroom right here, which happens to be the one that the girls, Kennedy and Denver, are staying in. Kennedy ran right in and chose this one, I think, because it has some steps and the bed is super high, and it has a nice little window where you can see the lake. And then if you come down the hallway, there's the full bathroom here that has a shower, toilet, sink, everything you need, plenty of towels. And then down these steps, you have this little hidden area down here where there are 2 extra beds. So you have 1 bed over here, and every room in the boathouse has queen size beds. So nice size beds. There's another one right down here as well that's really low to the floor. It's a great little play area for the girls, a great little hidden little area for them to get away and have some fun. And this is the last and final bedroom. This is the one that Carrie and I are using. Again, queen size bed, closet, and then there's also a half bath in here as well. So, cool thing about the toilets, this was my first time ever using toilets like this, and if Carrie hadn't told me, I probably would have never flushed the toilets. The boat it's a boat, so it does have the foot pedal flushers here that you have to use, and then I also didn't know that you have to lift it up to like refill the toilet with water, so that was a new experience for me, but super cool. And then right outside of this bedroom, there is a little balcony area that leads right out to the lake. So each of the bedrooms come with lots of great storage. I mean, the boat is small. It has 4 bedrooms, but it's a houseboat. It's not large, so it's great that it comes with a lot of storage, a lot of places to store your things. So we have these cabinets here on each side of the bed. There's also some drawers on each side of the bed as well. You get a closet in this room, and the other bedrooms also have some cabinets and some drawers as well, so lots of places to store your things. We are on a boat, y'all, so it is moving constantly. You get a little slight sway, a little slight rock here and there, which I'm sure is going to take some time to get used to once I'm standing still on land. But everything stays in place. It's not moving so much where your things are being shifted around, but you can feel the movement. I think that helped me sleep really good last night, so I appreciated that little gentle rock. And then it rained all last night, and we had a little thunderstorm, so there was thunder and rain, and then you had the rocking of the boat, and it just made for an amazing, really super peaceful sleeping experience for me. All right, there's one more level to this houseboat, the deck. We're gonna go check that out next.
Hi, Daddy. What you doing down there?
I'm trying to come up the stairs. You guys gonna let me?
No. No. No.
Well, let's show everybody the top deck. Okay.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, Denver.
So this houseboat comes with an amazing hot tub.
Wow.
We had a chance to test it in our last video. It came with.
Okay, back to the tour. So there's a hot tub. You know, you guys, the thought of being on the houseboat was exciting, but you know what really sold us? The hot tub. You know we love a hot tub. We cannot pass up a hot tub. So there's a great hot tub here on the top deck of the boat, and you get a great view as well of the lake from the hot tub. So we did hop in this last night and enjoyed the hot tub, and it's a little cool here, so the hot tub is absolutely perfect for this time of year. You also get some great seating right here on the deck, so if you want to lay out when it's warm and just enjoy the sun and enjoy the view, you can do that. And probably one of the coolest parts of this houseboat that we unfortunately cannot enjoy today because it's too cold.
Slide.
Candy's gonna get on the slide.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Oh no, thunder. So there is a slide on this boat, so when it's warmer and you can enjoy being in the lake, that slide will send you right down into the lake. So I wish it was warmer and we could enjoy that, but that is a really super cool amenity to this boat. You also get some extra seating back here in the back of the boat as well. They have a ceiling fan here for those warmer days, but there's plenty of seating here where you can just have a huge group and hang out and just hop from the hot tub and from the hot tub down the slide into the lake. This is such a fun boat, and I hope that we get to do this again one day when it's warmer and we can take advantage of the water. So you might be wondering if we're gonna drive the boat. Well, we're not, but you can. If you choose to come here and take a trip, they do offer the Island Adventure Package, which is $2,500 and allows you to take the boat out on Lake Ouachita. So there are a lot of great amenities that they offer here at the Lake Escape. We didn't get to show you guys very many of them, unfortunately, just because of the weather, it being just too cold and just really rainy while we were here. But they do offer kayaks that you can take out on the lake. They offer jet skis that you can rent by the hour. They also have a pontoon boat that you can rent for an hour and take out on the lake. We did take advantage of the fire pit here. We took the girls out to roast some marshmallows and make s'mores. You guys know we love that. We took advantage of the really awesome hot tub that they had here on the boat and had a lot of fun with that. But if you do decide to come out here to the Lake Escape in Royal, Arkansas, there are a lot of fun things to do here on the lake. Well, that's it for this trip. We had so much fun on the houseboat and we're so sad to be leaving, but thank you all so much for watching. If you love this video, make sure that you like it, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that bell for notifications so you don't miss the next unique stay. See you on the next adventure. On a boat. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat.
Yeah.
Would you recommend it to other people?
Yeah.
Yes? Do you want to come back? Do you want to stay? Do you want to leave?
We both got a loose teeth.
Oh my goodness. You got new smiles. You got new smiles. Kenny, can you believe you... Wait. What was I saying?